Let's start. Today we will see how to give colors to various links in the CSS. In the body tag, we have various anchor hyperlink tags. Each tag has an ID. Also, each tag has its destination link mentioned. So when we click the link, the browser will open this link. In the head tag, we have defined the styles for these links. By default, the links have purple-blue color. Here we have defined the color of our first link. Here we have defined the hover color of our second link. So when we hover the mouse over the second link, its color would turn red. Here we have defined the visited color of our third link. By default, the link of any color would be purple-blue, but once you click the link, the status of the link becomes visited, which means you have already visited this link. So we can specify different colors for those links which are already visited. So here, initially, the link color would be purple-blue, but once I click this link, and it becomes visited, then the color would be green. Here we have defined the active color of our fourth link. This color would appear right after we click the link. This color would appear for a fraction of a second only. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, here we have colored the first link in orange color. Here. When I hover the mouse over this link, its color turns red. For the third link, its initial color is purple-blue, but once I click this link, and go back on the web page, the link becomes already visited, and so its color turns green. And for the fourth link, when I click the link, for a fraction of a second its color turns yellow. Now, if you want to apply all these effects to all the hyperlinks on your web page, you can simply do it like this. So here we have applied all the link effects to all the anchor hyperlink tags on the web page. An important point to be noted is that the order of these effects should be like this only. The link color should come first, then the visited color, then the hover color, and then the active color. So that's it. That's how you can implement link colors to various links in the CSS. Thank you.